Welcome to Simplify Pharma. Do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will discuss the basic concept of quality by design, why this concept was developed, what does QBD mean, and how it is beneficial for pharmaceutical industries. An effort has been made to simplify it for further understanding. The basic concept of QBD is the quality cannot be tested into the product, but it should be built into it. And this concept was first outlined by Joseph M. Juran. He believed that quality could be planned and that most quality crises and problems they relate to the way in which quality was planned in the first place. According to Joseph Juran, quality is planned into the product from the very first stage of designing the product, and like this at each and every stage. Only then we can build quality into the product. Pharmaceutical industry is constantly searching the ways to ensure and enhance product safety, quality, and efficacy. However, manufacturing failure cost, scale-up issues, regulatory burden, and drug recalls in recent past they have posed huge challenge for the industry. This is the reason that pharmaceutical industry has undergone a paradigm shift from traditional quality by testing to the systematic quality by design approach. And this is to attain efficient product development, and that to the products that are cost effective with enhanced quality. In traditional approach, end product testing is used predominantly to ensure the product quality and product performance, with limited understanding of the product and process parameters and critical process parameters. In the current scenario of regulatory environments, the pharmaceutical industry is continuously facing challenges with respect to achieving the desired quality of drug product. Two major issues highlighted over the years they include poor GMP compliance and lack of understanding regarding the product and process parameters. Regulatory bodies are therefore focusing on implementing quality by design, that is a science-based approach. It improves the process understanding by reducing the process variation and enabling the process control strategies. Now, instead of relying on finished product testing alone like traditional approach, QBD provides insights throughout the development process. That means in QBD planning is done from the very first stage of designing the product, and it goes on for each and every development stage. As a result, a quality issue can be efficiently analyzed, and once we have analyzed the reason for the default in quality, the root cause can be quickly identified. QBD entered the pharmaceutical industry quite late in 2004 when US FDA took initiative for improving the standards of pharmaceutical manufacturing. FDA's emphasis on QBD began with the recognition that increased testing does not necessarily improve product quality, whereas the quality must be built into the product. FDA announced certain amendments to the CGMP in 2002 with an emphasis on establishing 21st century outlook on pharma manufacturing. So what was the goal over there? To establish a more systematic science and risk-based approach to the development of pharmaceutical products. In an initiative in July 2003, the ICH instituted various regulatory guidances like Q8, Q9, Q10 and set forth the concept of quality by design as a holistic approach which delivers high quality, robust drug products. With QBD around the predefined objectives of the target quality, they enable the zero quality defect and avoid quality crisis. QBD means planning quality into the product. QBD facilitates improvement in quality by thoughtful planning and meaningful execution. Hence, QBD is also called quality by planning but not by chance. QBD ensures predefined product quality objectives by means of designing and developing formulations and manufacturing processes. QBD begins with predefined objective and emphasizes on product and process understanding and process control. In order to initiate a successful QBD program, the first step is to identify those product and process parameters that are essential for the product quality, and then develop well-validated analytical methods to monitor those parameters. Use of sound scientific principles and quality risk management, these are the two key enablers of QBD philosophy, which provides enhanced product and process understanding on the target drug product. Based on these principles, QBD delivers enormous benefits, manufacturing and business benefits. QBD can ensure a safe and effective drug supply, while also significantly improving the quality of manufacturing performance. It has become a new concept for development of quality pharmaceutical products. Therefore, QBD is all about using scientific knowledge for product and process understanding, thus designing a product and process control in such a manner to achieve high quality product. Now, this is a comparative table that explains in depth how QBD differs from traditional process. In traditional approach, it starts with trial and error, whereas QBD is completely planned. It starts with a predefined objective. Traditional, the quality is assured by end product testing and inspection, whereas in QBD, the quality is built into the product and process by designing. In traditional, it is a very rigid process. It discourages any kind of changes. QBD, on the other hand, is a very flexible process. It allows continuous improvement. Traditional, it focuses on reproducibility. It often ignores or avoids variation. QBD, it focuses on robustness, that means more quality, understanding and controlling variation. Traditional, there is a limited understanding of process or critical process parameters. QBD, it emphasizes on product and process understanding using scientific knowledge. So QBD approach, it has several benefits to the industry, like better understanding of the process, it minimizes the deviations, less batch failure, more efficient and effective control of change. Thus, we can avoid the regulatory compliance problem, increase the manufacturing efficiency, and that leads to more cost saving, cost effective, and more quality products. Additional benefits they include such as reduction of post-approval submissions, more efficient technology transfer to the manufacturing, innovative process validation approaches, quality risk assessment and management, and reduced end product testing. Several QBD applications are like drug substance development, analytical development, formulation development, pharmaceutical manufacturing, bioequivalence studies, and clinical trials. Thus, QBD is a very important tool when it comes to pharmaceutical industries and good product, that is quality product manufacturing. If you like the video, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.